Here is the app called Fotor, photo editor. It's quite large app. So you have a lot of filters, a lot of trendy filters in this app, and it's an all-in-one AI photo editing toolbox that makes your photo stand out with just a few simple steps. Whether you're an artist, photography enthusiast, or someone who loves editing, Fotor offers endless creativity for your photo editing needs. The Fotor app, you can use the AI photo enhancer to clarify blurry photos. Then you can use Magic Eraser to quickly remove unwanted elements. You can use background remover. You can use AI retouch to have like flawless skins. You can use AI headshot to create PFPs. You can turn text into stunning images. Curious about your future baby? Just try Baby Generator. Use AI face mimic to upload a photo and have your friends sing or make funny faces. You can use trendy 3D cartoon and anime AI artifacts. So a lot of AI tools to change outfits, to extend photo subject and backgrounds, generate unique avatars from selfies, AI filters, restore and colorize old family photos, face swap templates, photo editor layouts, AI cutouts. So it's super advanced app as you can see, and also they have like a very big web version like Fotor.com. You can go in there, but they also have a pretty powerful mobile app. I think this is a Chinese app, but yeah, here you have it. The one thing is that there is no free option at all in here. So there are some nice discounts, but it's all paid. So either it's $10 per week, or you can try it with a free trial, but $48 per year. And then you have more subscriptions, and then there is like Photo Pro Plus. So then it's like $90 per year, where you getting you getting a more credits for AI images, HD stock photos. You're getting most cloud storage, and yeah, but unfortunately, there is no anything like to get this for free. So for example, if you wanna use some kind of photo, so there are filters, there's like beauty filters, there's like AI retouch. Uh, and then yeah, you just need to see how it might look like, and then you will see the AI retouch feature, or you can see like AI hairstyle. It's like what you want. So for example, and then you just select the hair color. This is just example of some tools they have. And then there you have it. So quite cool, right? This is really impressive. And then yeah, you can just try that. You can try it out what you want. And then there are all these like just filters. There are some like standard filters. Uh, and then yeah, you can just see how it will look like. So really you can experiment with it. And then for example, AI smile. So you can add a smile. Unfortunately, to try this feature, you need to have trial, reshaper, what you want to reshape, and then yeah, you can just use all of these things, and then you can just generate closest, and then you can just try to generate it. So it takes some time, but anyhow, you kind of get in. All right, so maybe here it didn't work out, but yeah, here you just have all of this for you, and you can create some new recipes, some new custom prompts just to edit it here. So these are just editing. Then you can generate all these AI photos with all these templates, as you can see, as in many other apps. Then you can also create AI videos, AI keys, AI hug, dancing, crazy effects, text into realistic video. And then you see recently used, edit your photos. Then there are hot categories, and then there are like what's new, so like Ghibli style. So this is like a trendy TikTok filter which you can instantly just use in this app. And yeah, the part of this app is that all the latest trendiest filters are available in it. So yeah, something like that, how you can just use Ghibli filter, as you can see, different styles. And then yeah, you just have 3 attempts in the top left. So for example, you can just try to save it, but then you will have a watermark in there. So that's kind of the app. So yeah, seems actually you can use it for free, some of the features, but then you will just have watermark in there. And this is really powerful app, a lot of the features. And then you can also just, if you check in every day, you're just getting credits, free credits. You also can do some one-time tasks like following them on socials. There are no referral codes, there are no promo codes to refer this app and to get more free credits, unfortunately. And then there's AI community. Then there is a profile, and then there are notifications, and then you see creations, you see projects, and you see task center. And that's basically what it is. So there you have it. A lot of features, a lot of interesting ideas in this app. So definitely give it a try. So this is, yeah, you can just find it like that, Fotor. And as I said, I saw that in the beginners, everything is paid. Yes, everything is paid here, but you can run like test images for free. Like there is still limitation, but you can run them for free. And then there is some kind of watermark. So yeah, that's why people like it.